The world population is right now 7.8 billion people, and by the 2050, it will reach to the 9.8 billion people. So one of the major challenges to feed all these people with less resources. Hello everyone, I'm ZAUR MINASAZLI from Chemical Engineering Department, and today I will be talking about the two advantages of the vertical farming using less resources. The freshwater and arable lands are our limited resources, and we have to use them wisely. Despommier states in his article that 70% of all fresh water used for agriculture, and the lands that is used for agriculture is equal in size to the continent of South America. So what can we do? We can use the vertical farms to reduce the water usage and the land usage. Vertical farms, vertical farms is a technique. Crops are grown in vertical stacked layers within the controlled environment. As you can see, it don't need any sunlight. It uses the artificial lights to grow the plants. Also, vertical farming uses 70 to 90% less water than normal farming. It uses 90% less area than normal farming. Additionally, vertical farms do not use any soil. Instead, it uses hydroponics. What's hydroponics? Hydroponics is a way that all the nutrients, all the minerals are dissolved in water and sent to the roots directly. In this way, we do not use any more resource or any further nutrition. We just give the plant as it how we just give the plant how much it needs, and by the artificial lighting, we use the most effective wavelength to grow the plants, and this is more effective than the sunlight. The second point is reducing the cost of transportation. In last 50 years, urbanization has increased dramatically, and UN estimates that in 2050, 60%, 68% of the people will live in urban areas, in cities. So, to bring the food from farm to our tables in a freshly, it's a major challenge, because this is the New York City, one of the biggest metropolises. The food came from a long way, and preserving foods are another challenge. Using the vertical farming, we can shorten the supply chain in order to preserve the food's freshness. And also, we can install the vertical farms into the containers or warehouses where near to the city center. This is the traditional supply chain of uh, from standard farm to the market. And as you can see, there's lots of steps which includes uh, uh, transportation. And all these steps needs energy and fuel, and this means money. On the other hand, when we use vertical farming, we can install plant nearby market, and by installing the plant nearby market, we uh, shorten the supply chain incredibly. And this is another example of vertical farming in a hotel. And the hotel uses these products within his menu. As a conclusion, I've talked about how vertical farms use less resource and how vertical farms reduce the cost of transportation. Any questions? Here's my reference list.